Wood Meccano, that's a cracking idea. Let's go make some.
This is the CAD file I've made up when I did the invisible Meccano, and it's what I'm going to use now for making these shapes. So, back again to the Phoenix shed in Halifax, my local man's shed, and I'm going to use the laser cutter that they've got there to carve out these wooden pieces. And when that's done, I'm left with these nicely cut out Meccano wooden pieces. You do get a little bit of scorch marking on the top side, but not to worry, it adds a little bit of texture to it. And what I'm also going to do is stain the strips so that I've got a little bit of contrast when I build the model between the strips and the plates. So here we are in comparison with a normal piece of Meccano. You can see that it's pretty much exactly the same size. That's what CAD drawings do for you. You can be very exact. The one difference you've got is that this is 3mm thick. Has to be to well, you can't get balls of wood that thin, so or plywood that thin, so that's where you make the difference. It's a bit thicker. You need thicker screws. You're not going to quite be at the same measurements as the plans, but still. And also, it's not, you don't have any bend in it. It's going to be flat regardless, without any bend, and that's about it really. It's difficult to put any kind of right angle in it. You get flat pieces. So if you want a flange piece, you've got to just put a bracket on to yourself to screw it with it. But, you know, it's what I wanted. It'll make some decent looking models. Let's go make one. This is an idea that Meccano have actually had themselves in the past at various points. These are from the Crazy Inventors set, and you can see they are essentially the same thickness of wood, and they've got Meccano spaced holes put into them. So, you know, but they never did what I'm doing, which is get standard pieces made out of wood, so I'm going to claim a first on that. I'm going to make this windmill model. Nice and easy build, but it'll show off the wooden pieces nicely, and we'll get a bit of motion to look at with the sails going round. So, yeah, that's me. So, yeah then, I'm quite pleased with this. I think it's come out looking pretty well. And of course it's a one-off. I'm going to be the only person in the world who's got a set like this and a model made up like that. What I might do, I mentioned I made invisible Meccano. If you haven't seen that video before, there'll be a link to it on the screen now. And at some point I might, you know, mix and match the two together so we've got the acrylic stuff and the wood stuff in one model. I think that could look pretty good. But, well, thanks for watching, and, you know, we'll see you next time.